Hi guys, today I want to talk about the procedure to wiring a boat in single phase or double phase. What is better, what is recommended? Okay, let me tell you something. Today I am here in a Chris Craft 37 feet. This boat is a pleasure boat and originally is coming in double phase. Why double phase or three phase are more efficient than a single phase? Okay, it is basically because you can balance the charge, you can balance the consumption in amps in two phases or three phases instead of a single phase. In a single phase, the consumption in amps is too much, and you need heavy cables, bigger cables, and the wiring is a heavy wiring. Okay, in this particular boat, I am going to connect the shore power in a pedestal with a double phase, and neutral. This outlet is for a 240, 50 amps or 125 volts, 25 amps per each phase. What is the advantage? As you can see, at the input of this boat, the outlets are for single phase 1 and single phase 2. This is good because I can balance internally in the AC panel of my boat the load in two phases, and I can distribute the current in both phases properly. This is good. This is good for the performance of the generator. I am going to show you how the AC panel is wired in this particular boat. I have in this wonderful boat the AC panel here and the DC panel over there. Number one, I don't recommend this distribution with the both panels together. Why? Because if I have the negative of the DC panel, black cable, and the hot line of the AC panel in the same compartment, is easy make a mistake. Can you imagine what happened if you use one of those black ones from line 1 or line 2 instead of the negative for DC? Kaboom, that the boat explode. This is why the recommendation is put the DC panel in a different place and install here only the AC panel. Okay, we are going to check this panel. This panel have a shore power 1 and shore power 2 according with the input outlet that we have, and we have the option to select line 1 or line 2. In line 1 I can see the voltage and the amps. In line 2 I can see voltage and amps. In this particular moment I have both lines coming from generator, but if I wanted, I can select both lines coming from shore power 2 one phase and shore power 2 the other phase. All right, this is perfect because for example, if I am located in an island and in that island the pedestal only have one phase, I can connect, for example, the shore power 2 and I select the shore power 2 because I want to connect the air condition and the grill. All right, and I only need one line. That's wonderful because I am connected in the shore power in that moment, and I provide power only for those equipments connected in the phase number 2. Or if I want to connect the phase number 1, it's because I want to use one of those equipments. This is the advantage of divided the charge, the total charge in phase 1 and phase 2. You have a good distribution in between both phases. This is the advantage when you connect double phase. You can create a good distribution of the charge and the consumption. And also, this is excellent to operate the generator properly. What is the symptom when one of the charge is fully charged and the other line have a little loads? It's basically because you hear knocking. The rotor try to touch the stator because it's unbalanced. You need to go quickly to the panel and balance the charge. Turn off some breakers and turn on another breakers in the other phase in order to balance the consumption in amps identical in both phases. This is the recommendation. Okay, this is why I recommend double phase instead of three phases. Remember that all the generators can be configured in single phase, in double phase, in three phase. I explained that process in my class of advanced electricity or in my class of marine generators. And also, when you have a distribution of charge like this boat, you can see how the generator recover the RPMs when you apply the load. This is the gain. If suddenly you try to turn on the air condition and the generator take too much time to recover the RPMs, you need to adjust the gain. You remember in my course of generators, I explained how to adjust the gain in that button in the voltage regulator. Okay, guys, I hope this material is useful for you, and I hope that this material help you in the future installation of configuration of pleasure boats.